I'm Michaela. I work with OM System. We were formerly Olympus Cameras, and this past 3 years we've been slowly rebranding as we split off from Olympus, and now we are our own independent camera company. We like to pay heritage to the Olympus branding with the OM, the Olympus Maitani branding, and so we needed a whole new trade show booth before we re-entered the market, and we were working with Strike to create all of our visuals for the overland and outdoor events that we've been attending. Rebranding is super challenging because people are very familiar with our old brand, the brand that we had been for 100 years, and getting that messaging out to the people is so complicated because it's like a telephone game where they haven't all heard. And so we do a lot of these events just to spread that brand awareness, to make sure that people know that we've changed. And the number one thing is, oh, I had no idea. I haven't heard that. So that's why we have to be out here meeting the people face to face. You know, our website has changed over, and a lot of our very dedicated followers know about the brand change, but people that are more on the fringe or were just learning about us as a previous brand maybe didn't come along for the brand change or didn't know. So really, events have definitely led the charge on our brand change.